Hi everyone, it's Chris Mary, manager of the Howard Hanna Lakewood office. Well, it's the week after Labor Day and it's 85 degrees outside. You never know what you're going to get with the weather here in Northeast Ohio. But one thing is certain, and that's winter is coming. And with winter comes empty container pots, brown garden beds, and snow-covered lawns. If you're thinking about putting your home on the market this winter, or even early next spring, it's important to get that exterior photography done now. Give us a call here at the office, 216-221-6585, and we can arrange one of our professional photographers to come and take the exterior photos of your home. As you know, your home's first showings are on the internet at howardhanna.com, and it's important, more now than ever, that you put your best foot forward. This means green lawns and plush landscapes. Give us a call, 216-221-6585, or stop in. We're located right next to the post office on Warren Road to make arrangements for the photographer to come and take your listing photos. Thanks, and we look forward to serving you.